The projects you create at Videofork doesn't necessarily have to be just a video. You can present your project to your audience or record yourself presenting it. Presentations work with a simple rule. That is, all the elements in your project must be properly grouped so that each group is a slide. Let me show you a demo. I'll add 4 text which represents elements in our group. Slide 1, Slide 2, and Slide 4. Let me create 4 groups and drag the items inside the corresponding groups. Now save the project and click Present Project button at the top left corner. It will open a new tab with the slides we created in our project. Navigate between the slides with arrow keys or with the buttons below. You can draw over your slides, record your presentation as video. You can choose to record your whole window or just this tab in the pop-up. Show your face through webcam, and many more features are coming soon. Here is a presentation demo for the template created in Videofork.